Overnight lows are going to be in the 30s and upper 20s for about the next week. So made a house within a house. We still got our shut up here, but they're not zippered in, so we get some leakage and it'll get cold in here at night. But last night it only got down to about 45 or 50 in here. I think this gets nice and warm, and it retains some of the thermal. I could tape some of these seams up, but you'll have to overlook the Romas. They're in transplant shock, but we'll get them tied up and they'll come back. They just need some good watering. So we got a little radiator space heater in here, and it kept it nice and toasty in here last night, and it was a smaller tent configuration just to get by. Made this a little bigger. Of course, I closed in that wall just because the breezes can come in from there at night. We're expecting windy conditions for about the next week, so that'll help keep a little bit of the cool breeze off, retain some of that heat. And that heater's just set on low, and so it just sits there, and it's got oil in it, and you know, it gets warm and it'll stay warm and toasty for not much energy in the grand scheme of things. But anyway, I know it's a lot for 8 Roma plants, but we're using this as a test to see how these tomato plants are going to fare, you know, in our zone at our latitude over the winter.